a plus sine pi x whole power n minus 1 divided by a plus sine pi x whole power n plus 1. It is given like this. Question he is asking is if a equal to 1, number of discontinuities are dash. Number of discontinuities are dash. Right? So this will have discontinuities where when this is 1, when this is 1, this base is what? When this value is 1, it will be discontinuous. He has given a equal to 1. A equal to 1 means here it is given that x belongs to 0 comma 6. X belongs to 0 comma 6. So this is 1. 1 cancel. Sine pi x equal to 0. Sine x equal to 0 means what is the solution? N pi. Therefore x equal to n. It is n is what? Integer. N is what? Integer. That means what are the integers in 0 to 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5. 5 discontinuities will be there. Right? In this interval, that x values you have to find out. So next, suppose another question is asking is, if a equals to 1 by 2, number of discontinuities are dash. Number of discontinuities are dash. Right? A equal to 1 by 2, substitute 1 by 2 plus sine pi x equal to 1. That means sine pi x is nothing but 1 by 2. Sine pi x is nothing but 1 by 2. If you have the equation like this, sine x equal to sine alpha. What is the general solution? N pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. That means this is sine x and I am writing it as general solution. Sine pi by 6. What is the solution then? X equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 6. Into pi by 6. Calculate x value. This is sine x equal to sine alpha. X is nothing but pi cancel. 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Now you have to calculate x values in the interval what? 0 to 6. Now n equal to 0. N equal to 0 means what? X equal to 1 by 6. That lies in that interval. N equal to 1. N equal to 1 means what? 1 minus 1 by 6. So this lies in that interval. N equal to 2. 2 means what? 2 plus minus 1 whole square. 2 plus 1 by 6. That lies in that interval. N equal to 3. 3 minus 1 by 6. This x lies in that interval. N equal to 4. N equal to 4 means x equal to 4 plus 1 by 6. This lies in that interval. N equal to 5. X equal to 5. This is minus 1 whole power 5. That is minus 1 by 6. This lies in that interval. N equal to 6. If you substitute, you will get 6 plus 1 by 6. This will not lie. It will exceed 6. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? 6 discontinuities will be there. Just write the general solution and then keep on substituting n equals 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whatever the x values are there in this interval, you have to take those. So if a equal to 1 by 2, number of discontinuities are what? 6. Suppose if we ask like this, if a equal to 3, number of discontinuities are dash. That means what you will get? 3 plus sine pi x. 3 plus sine pi x equal to 1. Sine pi x is what? You got minus 2. Not possible. Sine x will lie between minus 1 and 1 only. That means sine x will never be minus 2. Therefore, number of discontinuities 0. The main concept is this equal to 1. After that, you find out according to A. Look at, we will move to next concept. Next concept. Look at. Continuity of composite function. Composite function f of g of x. In functions, we have discussed about composite function f of g of x. Look at. So this type of function f of g of x will be discontinuous when, suppose look at at one value of x, suppose g of x is become infinity. Okay. G of x is become infinity at one value of x. So that means what? That is discontinuity. If this will become infinity, this limit will become infinity. Then in that case, that x value is what? The x where g of x will become infinity is nothing but discontinuity of f of g of x. Such type of x's will be there. Then in some cases, this f of g of x will become infinity. This complete one, if you substitute x equal to that, it will become infinity. That means at such value of x is also called discontinuity of that function. That means simple, where the given function will become infinity, that is one discontinuity. Where this g of x will become infinity, that is one discontinuity. Right? Look at one problem, you will understand. Find discontinuities of y. Discontinuities of y where y equals to 1 divided by u square minus u minus 2, comma u equal to 1 divided by x minus 2. Look at. You have to find discontinuities of this y is in terms of u and u is in terms of x. This is called composite function. This is f of u, where u equal to 1 by x minus 2. F of u, where u is what? 1 by x minus 2. First look at u. Take u first. Take u. Where it will become infinity? Denominator equal to 0. Denominator equal to 0. This is one discontinuity. This is one discontinuity. If denominator equal to 0, what happens at x equal to limit will become infinity. That means this is a point of discontinuity. For f of u, if u becomes infinity, this will not be defined. That means x equal to 2 is a discontinuity. So next, take y 1 by u square minus u minus 2. Take y. So when this denominator equal to 0, denominator equal to 0, then also it will become infinity. It will not be defined. That means u square minus u minus 2 equal to 0. So that means you factorize this u minus 2 into u plus 1 equal to 0. What are the values you will get? U equal to 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1. But x values you have to find out. U equal to 2 implies u is what? 1 by x minus 2 equal to 2. That implies x value calculate. So what is the x value? X equal to 3 by 2 is one discontinuity. Next, u equal to minus 1 implies minus 1. That means equal to minus 1, x is 1. That means how many discontinuities are there? X equal to 2, x equal to 3 by 2, x equal to 1. Therefore, discontinuities. X equal to 2 comma x equal to 3 by 2 comma x equal to 1. How many discontinuities? 1, 2, 3. 3 values. Simple. This is given like this. This is given like this. Just take u denominator equal to 0. 1 point you got denominator equal to 0. Then take y. If this denominator equal to 0 also, it will become discontinuous. That means this is 0. U values you got. U values you got. From that u value, calculate x value. From this u value, calculate x value. How many are there? 3 values. ఏంటమ్మ డౌట్ చెప్పమ్మా. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Like that. Look at next. If, look at very important questions. If f of x equals to 1 divided by x minus 1. 1 divided by x minus 1. Find number of discontinuities of he is asking f of x. Look at first composite function, that is. First, how to deal with this problem is last f of x you take last. First last one. Where it will be discontinuous, denominator equal to 0. Denominator equal to 0. This is one point of discontinuity. Right? If this will become infinity, this will not be continuous, complete function. Next, add one more f of x. So f of x we will calculate. right? This is nothing but f of 1 by x minus 1. How to calculate f of 1 by x minus 1? Here in place of x, 1 by x minus 1. If we are calculating f of 2, what we will do? We will substitute 2. Similarly, f of 1 by x minus 1 is nothing but 1 by minus 1. What you will get if you take LCM? X minus 1 divided by 2 minus x. 1 minus x plus 1. That means now this denominator equal to 0. Denominator equal to 0. What is that? X equal to 2. That means this will become infinity at x equal to 2. If this will become infinity, this completely will not be continuous at x equal to 2. Therefore, another discontinuity is what? X equal to 2. Next, add one more function. This add one more. That means f of this we have calculated. What is that? X minus 1 divided by 2 minus 6 till here. That means f of this means in place of x you substitute this one. That means this is nothing but 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by 2 minus x minus 1. What you will get? 2 minus x divided by x minus 1 minus 2 plus x. That means what you will get? 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 you will get. Right? Now denominator equal to 0. Denominator equal to 0 means what you will get? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3 by 2. 3 discontinuities. So discontinuities are x equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Answer is what? Here he is asking number of discontinuities. Answer is 3. Answer is 3. Like that simple, like this it is given. First f of its last one. Denominator equal to 0. Next add one more. Calculate this. Denominator equal to 0. 2. Next add one more. Calculate this. Denominator equal to 0. That means 3 discontinuities will be there. Look at next. Look at one more model. F of x equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Find discontinuities of f of and so on 2020 times. 2020 times. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3. Now he is telling 2020 times. So no need to get scared of 2020 times. Just start like this. Finally f of x will be there. Finally f of x will be there. That means last f of x you take. So denominator equals 0. This is one discontinuity. Then add one more. We will check. Then add one more. F of 1 by 1 minus x. Calculate this. 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 1 minus x. What you will get this? This you will get 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x minus 1. That means if you strike off minus by taking common, x minus 1 by x, denominator equal to 0. X equal to 0. This is one discontinuity. Next, proceed like that. Proceed like that. Next, one more. Next, if I see f of x. One more I am adding, right? F of, till this calculated na. So x minus 1 by x. That means 1 divided by 1 minus, this you will get x divided by 1. X divided by 1. So denominator is 1. There is no denominator, no discontinuity for this. No discontinuity for this. Because there is no denominator, na, there won't be any discontinuity for this. So look at this x you got, there you stop. No need to do next. Whenever you got x, you stop the procedure. That means discontinuities are, why you have to stop, I will tell. Discontinuities are, what are those? First x equal to 1, x equal to 0. These two. Answer is 2. Why means, next if you calculate, what you will get? One more if you add, look at what you will get. This still here is x. F of x is what? When you equate to 0, same thing you will get again. The same thing you will get. Next, one more if you add, then you will get this one. Same thing you will get. That means after that, if you find out the same values you will get. X equal to 1, x equal to 0, like that it will repeat once again. That means you do the procedure till you will get x. There stop. Then what are the discontinuities? 1 and 0. After that, the same thing will repeat again. That is still like this. Number of brackets are more. Very important model. Number of times he will give. Look at next. Look at next. Functions will be given like this. Look at. Function is given as x square into SGN of step x. I have told Signum function na. SGN into step x plus fractional part of x. It is defined like this in the interval 0 to 2. 0 to 2, and it is defined as modulus of x minus 3 between 2 to 4. Function is defined like this. Function is defined like this. Now check continuity at number 1, x equal to 1. Number 1, x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Simply, function is becoming more, it is seeming to be more difficult, more typical, but doing will be very easy. Look at 1, simply write limit. Simply write limit x square into, write this greater than 1, just greater than 1. This is step x plus fractional part of x, you write just like x minus step x. Whenever fractional part is there, you write x minus step x. Now look at this step x definition, you have to write x just greater than 1. X just greater than 1 means 1.00001. That means this definition will become what? This is 1. Write that 1 in place of step x. X square into signum 1 plus x minus 1. This is given, right? Now substitute 1. 1 into 1 into signum 1 plus 1 minus 1. What you will get? Signum 1 I told. If x is positive, this value is what? 1. If x is negative, value is minus 1. This is what? 1. 1 into signum of positive value 1. So answer is what? Right limit is 1. Right limit is 1. Next, left limit I am calculating. Left limit I am calculating. X square into signum step x. When x is just less than 1, same thing. Same thing, just less than 1 also. Same definition is there. I have written. So now, when x is just less than 1, that means 0.99999. This step x will definition will become 0. Yes, gn of 0 plus x minus 0. This is the definition. So now 1 you substitute 1 into signum 0 is what? 0 plus here is what? 1 minus 0, 1. So therefore left limit is what? 1. Now these both are equal. F of 1 you have to calculate. F of 1. It is not sufficient, these both. These both are not sufficient. F of 1. F of 1 means at x equal to 1, what is defined? There you substitute 1. Signum of 1. If you substitute 1, step 1 is what? 1 plus x minus step x. This is x minus step x. Na? 1 minus step 1. 1 x minus step x. X is 1. 1 square into this is 1. 1. That's 1 minus 1. 1. Therefore, this all are what? Equal. Therefore, continuous. Continuous at x equal to 1. Like that simple function may seem to be difficult, but at particular point if you have to calculate, this step x has one definition, write that definition. Then substitute, signum 1, what is that? You can calculate right limit, you can calculate left limit. After that f of 1, where x equal to 1 is there, you substitute x equal to 1, then you will get that value. If these three are equal, function will become what? Continuous. Like the typical function also, you can calculate right limit, left limit, f of 1. Patti. ఏంటమ్మా చెప్పు డౌట్ ఏంటి చెప్పమ్మా. ఓకే, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ లుక్ ఎట్ ఫంక్షన్ అనేది మనకు చాలా టిపికల్ గా కనపడుద్ది. మనకి జస్ట్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ దట్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్, జస్ట్ లెస్ దాన్ దట్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్, అండ్ దెన్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్. Suppose look at next. Another function is defined like this. Another function is defined like this. F of x equals to, this is step less than or equal to 1, and it is defined as modulus of x minus 2 1 to 2. 1 to 2. In the exam, he will give like this sum. This bracket is GIF. That indicates that this is step off. Step denotes greatest integer function. If it is given this, you can take it as step. Otherwise, it will become normal bracket. Normal bracket. If it is given like this, then take step. So look at minus half to 1 defined, 1 to 2 defined. Now you have to check continuity at number 1. Number 1, x equal to 1. Continuity at x equal to 1. Let us check. Just simply right limit you calculate. Right limit 1 plus what is defined? This function only modulus x minus 2. Modulus x minus 2 means 1. Modulus of minus 1 is what? 1. Right limit is 1. Let us calculate left limit. 1 minus, what is that? 1 just less than 1 means this is the one step. When you are doing with this, don't substitute x equal to 1 here. This definition you must write and then you have to calculate limit. Don't substitute 1 directly. Whenever step is there. Now look at x 1 minus means x less than 1. X less than 1. Right? So now you have to calculate cos pi x. This value lies where? This pi x is their angle. That pi x will be just less than pi. This angle cos pi x is there. If x is less than 1, multiply with pi. Pi x will be just close to pi, less than pi. Now you know cos graph. Look at, consider the graph. Cos graph is there. Till pi you draw. Till pi. Look at, this is 0. So this is pi by 2. This is pi. At pi its value is minus 1. Now what you want? This pi x angle, what it is, then you need cos x value. This angle pi x, that is just less than pi. Just less than pi means where is its value? Cos value. Just close to pi, less than pi. If you see, where you will get value? Very close to minus 1 you will get. Here is the graph. Very close to minus 1 you will get. That means when x less than 1, pi x will be less than pi, cos pi x will be a value between minus 1 to 0, or otherwise just minus 0.99999. That means step of minus 0.99999 is what? That means that definition will become, this definition will become minus 1. So what is the answer? Minus 1. Just x less than 1. This angle you find out. Pi x will be just less than pi. Just less than pi means here. Where is the y value? Cos pi x value. Just close to minus 1. Less than, greater than minus 1. That means it lies between minus 1 to 0. If anything, if any value, if this lies between minus 1 and 0, step is what? Minus 1. You take minus 0.999. Step of minus 0.999 is what? Minus 1. That is the value. Similarly, look at these two are not equal. Therefore, discontinuous. Discontinuous at x equal to 1. Simple. When trigonometric function is there, approach the graph. If this angle is like this, cos value where it is, you can easily find out. Suppose look at next one. Suppose at x equal to 1 by 2, we have to check. At x equal, second question is, suppose the same function 1 by 2. I want to check it 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now I am calculating right limit. 1 by 2 plus just greater than 1 by 2. This is pi x. This means what? Actually x greater than 1 by 2. This angle is there. Multiply with pi. This angle is just greater than pi by 2. Just greater than pi by 2 means where it is? Here look at. Just greater than pi by 2 means, just greater than pi by 2 means here it is. This is pi by 2. Just greater than pi by 2 means where its value will be? Very close to 0 and less than 0. That means this cos pi x value will lie between minus 1 and 0. That means here very close means very close you will get minus 0.00001. That means step x will be what? Step x will be limit x tends to 1 by 2 plus this is minus 1. That means answer is what? Minus 1. Minus 1. Suppose if you calculate pi by 2 minus this Now this is x less than pi by 2. So x less than pi by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. X less than 1 by 2. Now multiply with pi. Pi x will be less than pi by 2. That means pi x will be just less than pi by 2. Just less than pi by 2 means here. Where is the graph? Y value will be somewhere here. If just less than pi by 2, it will be just close to 0. That means 0.00001. That means its value is what? This lie between 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means step value is what? Step value is 0. 0. Left hand limit, right hand limit, both are not equal. Therefore, discontinuous. Let x equal to what? 1 by 2. Like that, simple. Right limit, left limit. If both are not equal, no need to calculate f of 1 by 2. If both are equal, we will calculate f of 1 by 2 also. Both are not equal. Na? Look at function is looking typical step of cos pi x modulus. Everything is there. At this point, it will become easy. Because close to it, how the angle will be and cos value will be, we'll check out. Look at next. Look, f of x is defined like this. F of x is defined like this. 1 plus x, 1 plus x, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, 3 minus x, 2 less than x less than or equal to 3. Defined like this. And another function is given g of x equal to f of x. Composite function. F of x means what? Composite function. Then g of x is a continuous at x equal to 1, b discontinuous at x equal to 1, c continuous at x equal to 2, d discontinuous at x equal to 2. Look at here, two definitions are given here. Two definitions for f of x is given. Previously we have done one definition only, it is there. F of x is given just like that, one definition. If two definitions are given, how to deal with it? Look at composite function. Now you have to check its continuity at x equal to 1 and at x equal to 2. Look at first at x equal to 1. So what you need to calculate? Limit x tends to 1 plus g of x. G of x means what? Limit x tends to 1 plus this. While dealing with composite function, always that inside function you take that as some t. You take that as t. You take that as t. This will become f of t. Now t tends to what you have to write? This complete limit you convert into t. Now look at x tends to 1 plus implies t will tend to apply for this limit. limit extends to 1 plus f of x. Right? If x t is f of x, where t will tend to? If x tends to 1 plus, t will tend to limit of this when x tends to 1 plus. Now look at it. So this is what, this we will calculate, x greater than 1, x greater than 1. F of x is defined, limit extends to 1 plus means x is just greater than 1. Just greater than 1 definition is what? That means this is nothing but limit extends to 1 plus f of x is what? 1 plus x. So this limit will become what? 1 plus 1, 2. That means t will tend to 2. But look at, you have to write either 2 plus or 2 minus. That means look at, x is greater than 1 here. So when x is just greater than 1, this 1 plus x is what? 1 plus 1.00001. That means this is actually 2.00001. That approaching value we will write 2. That means this value is what? Actually greater than 2. You write 2 plus. Limit is 2 only. But t will tend to what? More than 2. More than 2 it will be. T tends to 2 plus. That must be important. Just that will be calculated. Limit is 2. Plus or minus what you, how you have to write? Just greater than 1, you calculate this value 1 plus 1.00001. Right? What is that? More than 2. That means you write 2 plus. That means if x tends to 1 plus, t tends to what? 2 plus. F of t. F of t. Now look at, now this is greater than 2. T is greater than 2. F of, where is greater than 2? Greater than 2 means f of x is what? 3 minus x. F of t means what? Just in place of x you write t. 3 minus t. Instead of 3 minus x we will write 3 minus t. This, now you substitute 2. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. That means limit extends to 1 plus value is what? 1. Right? So then limit extends, look at, whenever you are dealing with composite function, this take it as t. I want to convert this completely into t. When x tends to 1 plus, t tends to, apply limit extends to 1 plus f of x. Limit extends to 1 plus greater than 1 means what is defined? 1 plus x, substitute that, you got limit 2. You write either 2 plus or 2 minus. Substitute 1.0001. This is greater than 2. That means 2 plus. Limit t tends to 2 plus. X tends to 1 plus means t tends to 2 plus f of t. Now you got the function definition. F of x. When t is greater than 2, what is the definition? This. F of x is 3 minus x. F of t is what? 3 minus t. Therefore 3 minus 2, that is 1. That means for this function right hand limit is what? 1. Similarly, I am calculating limit extends to 1 minus f of x. Now again I am taking t equal to f of x. T equal to f of x. Now x tends to 1 minus. T tends to, where t will tend? That limit 1 minus f of x. So this limit how to calculate? Limit extends to 1 minus, for less than 1 what is that? For just less than 1 this is the one. Now this limit if we substitute 1, this is 2 only. 2 plus or 2 plus or 2 minus here. 1 minus means just less than 1. 1 plus 0.99999. 1.99999. That means it will tend to 2 minus. Less than 2. It will tend to 2 minus. That means here you will get limit t tends to 2 minus f of t. Right? So this is what? Less than 2. Less than 2 definition is what? Less than 2 definition is 1 plus x. Less than 2 definition is what? 1 plus x. That means 1 plus t. Substitute t equal to 2, that is what, 3. 3. Now look at right hand limit not equal to left hand limit. Right hand limit not equal to left hand limit. Therefore, what can you say about at x equal to 1? Discontinuous at x equal to 1. That means g of x equal to f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 1. Right limit, left limit not equal, therefore discontinuous. So discontinuous at x equal to 1. Let us check at x equal to 2. Let us check at x equal to 2. Now again observe clearly for x equal to how I am doing. At x equal to 2. Limit extends to 2 plus f of x. Now I am taking f of x equal to t. So x tends to 2 plus implies t tends to limit extends to 2 plus f of x. T tends to limit extends to 2 plus f of x. What is that? 2 plus greater than 2. This is 3 minus x. This is 3 minus 2, 1. 1 plus or 1 minus. Look at 2 plus means greater than 2. 3 minus 2.00001. If you delete 2, it will become 1. If you delete more than 2, 3 minus 2.0001, it will be less than 1. That means 1 minus. Less than 1 value. That means 1 minus. That means limit t tends to 1 minus f of t. That means here t is less than 1. Less than 1, what is the definition? Less than 1 means this is the definition. That means limit t tends to 1 minus, this is 1 plus t. That means 1 plus 1. That limit is what? 2. That limit is what? 2. So left hand limit of g of x at x equal to 2 is what? 2. Or I mean right hand limit. Right hand limit. Right? So left hand limit I am calculating. Left hand limit, that means 2 minus f of x. F of x. Now I am taking f of x equal to t. If x tends to 2 minus, t tends to, limit extends to 2 minus f of x. That means limit extends to 2 minus x less than 2, definition is what? Again 1 plus x. Again 1 plus x. Now if you look at this limit is what? 3. This limit is what? 3. 2 minus less than 2. 1.99999. This is what? 2.9999. It will tend to 3 minus. It will tend to 3 minus. That means limit t tends to 3 minus f of t. 3 minus means what? Less than 3. Less than 3, what is the definition? 3 minus x. So 3 minus t. 3 minus t. That means 3 minus 3. That means what? 0. Now look at left hand limit and right hand limit not equal. Therefore discontinuous at x equal to 2. That is the answer. Discontinuous at x equal to 2. చెప్పమ్మా హర్షవర్ధన్ 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 చెప్పు. ఆ? ఆ? ఇదే ఇది 1 మైనస్ ఎలా వచ్చిందంటావా? 1 మైనస్ ఎలా వచ్చిందంటావా అంటున్నా. చూడు, నువ్వు సింపుల్ గా 2 ప్లస్ కదా, 2 ప్లస్ అంటే 2.0001 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయి. వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది నీకు? 0.99 సంథింగ్ వస్తుందా? అంటే 1 కంటే తక్కువే కదా మరి ఉండేది. 1 మైనస్ లిమిట్ 1 వస్తుంది. 1 మైనస్ రాయాలా 1 ప్లస్ రాయాలా అంటే ఈ వాల్యూ గనక లెస్ దాన్ 1 ఉంటే 1 మైనస్ రాయాలి, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 1 ఉంటే 1 ప్లస్ రాయాలి. అర్థమైందా? అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ చూడు, ఇక్కడ చూడు, నీకు అర్థమైంది. 2 మైనస్ కదా, 1 ప్లస్ 2 3నే లిమిట్. 3 ప్లస్ రాయాలా 3 మైనస్ రాయాలి. 2 కంటే తక్కువ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఇది కనుక్కో వాల్యూ ఎంత. 1.9999 అంటే 2.9999 3 కంటే తక్కువే ఉండేది. 3 మైనస్, అది అర్థమైందిగా? ఓకేనా? రైట్. Look at next. Some functions he will define like this. Look at, he will not give definitions like this. Modulus, suppose you take one function, it is defined in -1 to 2, -1 to 2, right? You have to find discontinuities of this function in -1 to 2. You have to write separate rules. Step x is there. Based on that, look at, I am writing this as modulus step x into modulus x. Look at, you have to write separate rules for step x. Look at how to write rules is, this step x is there, I have told -1 to 0. Here if x lies between -1 to 0, step x value is what? -1. You substitute that rule, this modulus x, keep it like that. Step x rules you write -1 to 0. Step x is what? -1. This is the definition. So next is 0 to 1. Here no need to write equal to, because he has given in the open interval na, -1 to 0. n plus 1. What is that n? Now 0 close to 1. Step x will be what? 0. Modulus 0 into modulus x. Next from 1 to 2. 1 to 2 step x is what? Modulus 1 into modulus x. Only at x equal to 2. Only at x equal to 2 means this will become substitute 2. Step to 2 into modulus 2. So this is the definition. That means what is the definition you got? If you write the definition, it will be easy. Modulus x less than 0, right? So this is 0 to 1. Now this is 1 into modulus x when 1 to 2, 4 when x equal to. Where you need to check, where it is changing the rules. Where it is changing the rules, 0, 1, 2. At these points you need to check. Function changes rule at 0, at 1, at 2. That means at these points we will check out. 0 plus right limit is what? 0 plus right limit is what? 0. 0 minus left limit is what? Look at 0. F of 0 is necessary. F of 0 is what? At 0 this is what? 0. 3 are equal, therefore continuous. Next at 1 plus, this is right limit of 1 plus means this is the one. If you substitute 1, what you will get? 1 minus what you will get? Less than 1, 0. Both are not equal. Both are not equal, no need to calculate f of 1. This, so next 2 plus is what? 2 plus 2 plus is not there. 2 is the last point. Last ending point. Na? Minus 1 to 2 domain. Ending point is 2. There you calculate only 2 minus. 2 minus means what? 2 minus is 2. F of 2 is 4. So discontinuous. Discontinuous. That means discontinuous at 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. If the rules are not given, based on step X, you write the rules like this, and then where the function is changing the rules, at that point you check out the discontinuities. That means except 1 and 2, function will be continuous everywhere. Like that, for some functions you have to write rules on your own. Look at next one more problem. Okay, time is up now. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.